People sick and tired of politics in this country. They seize on an innocent remark, try to take it out of context, because they know that it's catnip for the news media. This happens every election cycle. Every 4 years, this is what we do. We've got an energy crisis. We have education. We have an education system that is not working for too many of our children and making us less competitive. We have an economy that is creating hardship for families all across America. We've got 2 wars going on, veterans coming home not being cared for, and this is what they want to talk about. You know who ends up losing at the end of the day? It's not the Democratic candidate. It's not the Republican candidate. It's you, the American people. Because then we go another year or another 4 years or another 8 years without addressing the issues that matter to you. Enough. I don't care what they say about me, but I love this country too much to let them take over another election with lies and phony outrage and swift vote politics. Enough is enough.